Automotive recalls happen all the time because somebody didn't do their job. Here's the story of why this happens. The car company is the original equipment manufacturer, but that's not actually what they are. They're really the original equipment assembler because they buy components and assemble them. So here's the automotive model life cycle. You introduce a model at a near loss financially. Then, you beat on the suppliers that continually lower costs. Then, you increase prices in years 2 through 5. The customers are more willing to pay for cars their neighbors love. And then, you make money during the phase-out years 3 through 5. And then you repeat this every time you want to introduce a model. So here are the Tier 1 suppliers, better known as Tier 1 hell, and all the sub-tier suppliers. These are huge, complex operations. They're very intimate with the OEM, and often partly owned by the OEM, and there's constant, relentless pressure to reduce cost and price. So the benefits of this system is that it passes R&D costs down to the suppliers. The suppliers can't negotiate the pricing, and they must agree to price decreases. The OEM can simplify and do what it's good at. The drawbacks, of course, is their enormous incentive to cut corners and or lie, reference episode 28, and no one is accountable. So this is the Takata airbag company, the largest recall in history. People didn't do their jobs. To recap what happened, Takata was the historical preferred airbag and seatbelt company, but they had to take costs out of the system. So they shifted production to Mexico, and the plant blew up because of workers not doing their jobs. Also, at the same time, they used a cheaper and more dangerous material, and that caused shrapnel. And so their customers started to die. It was the biggest recall in history and Lawyer-mageddon. And everyone knew about this. The real root cause was the system. It's delusional on its face that you can consistently introduce products with no profit. Here are the 3 definitions of entrenched mediocrity, and this situation fits all 3 of them. This is why the situation was allowed to continue despite everybody knowing about it. And this is why your car got recalled.